Well, me father often told me when I was just a lad, a sailor's life is very hard, the food is always bad. But now I've joined the Navy, I'm aboard a man of war, and now I found a sailor ain't the sailor
5, 6,
anymore.
7, 8.
Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another run ashore. A sailor ain't a sailor, ain't a sailor anymore. He says we had it soft. It wasn't like then in his day when we were up aloft. We like our bunks and sleeping bags, but what's a hammock for? A swinging from the deckhead or lying on the floor. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another run ashore. A sailor ain't a sailor, ain't a sailor anymore. An engine, the first one up and down, and then with more technology the engine went around. We know our steam and diesels, but what's a main yard for? A stoker ain't a stoker with a shovel anymore.